Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Hemingway app to improve blog CTR, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Hemingway app website. Once the page loads, look for the option to get started or try it free. If you're using the desktop version, click on the download button for your operating system. Follow the instructions to install the app on your device. After installation, launch the Hemingway app. Now, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. To improve your blog's click-through rate, start by pasting your blog post text into the editor. As you paste your text, pay attention to the color-coded highlights. Green indicates easy-to-read sentences, while yellow shows sentences that may be too complex. Red highlights require immediate attention for readability. Focus on simplifying your writing by breaking long sentences into shorter ones. Remove unnecessary adverbs and passive voice where possible. If any text appears in blue, consider deleting that adverb for clarity. Once you've polished your blog content, check the readability score at the top right corner. Aim for a score that suggests your writing is appropriate for a wider audience. Feel free to make adjustments based on Hemingway's suggestions. When you're satisfied with the edits, copy the revised text. Now, paste the improved version back into your blogging platform. Review your formatting and any links within the post. Finally, save your changes and prepare to publish. You're now ready to share your enhanced blog post, which can help improve your click-through rate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.